Hey guys, I'm going to open up my Cookie Run Kingdom game and you're going to see something super cool. So let me just go ahead and open it up right here. I'm just going to give it a minute for it to go ahead and load as you can see. So let's just give it a minute here. As you can see, it's going to let it load. All right, touch to start. Let me just do that. I want to show you guys something. So as you can see guys, at the moment, I don't have many crystals, but I'm going to show you guys how this works. So I'll tell you guys, I'm actually using a modded version of the game. I'm going to show you guys how to download it. But basically with this mod, what you can do, I'll show you, you can go ahead and go into the shop and you can actually buy for free. So let me just show you guys how this works. So I'm just going to go ahead and press on the crystals, and as you can see, it has all the different amounts, and they're pretty expensive, all the way up to $99. But I can actually go ahead and buy any amount of these completely for free since I'm actually playing with a modded version of the game. So let's get the $99 one. It's a lot of them. You get 12,400. So I'm going to go ahead and press buy, and as you can see, it says buy for $0. So that's how you know this is a mod, guys. So I'm going to press it, and let's just wait for the transaction to go through. And as you can see, US $0. I'm going to press continue, and let's see if it works. And as you can see, guys, payment successful. So this is super crazy. I can't believe it actually works, guys, but it does. And as you can see in the corner, the amount of crystals I had did go up to 12,700. And now if I back out of the shop, you can see I still have that amount. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this mod. It's super crazy and it is completely free. You do not need a computer or a jailbreak. So if you want to do this, guys, go to settings if you're using an iPhone, and then just go down here to general, and you want to find background app refresh, and make sure, guys, that this is turned on. This allows apps to refresh content. You can have it on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. It doesn't matter. Just make sure it's on. Once you've done that, guys, just go down to battery and make sure you got low power mode off. You know it's on because the percentage will be yellow, so make sure low power mode's turned off. Once you've done that, go down to App Store and make sure you have the automatic downloads turned on. Should be on by default. Once you've done that, you're good to go. So all you have to do, it's super crazy, guys. I mean, they have so many mods for apps and games on this site, as you guys can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and type it in. So I'm going to go up to the search bar. Let me just do that right here. As you can see, Cookie Run Kingdom. So let me just type it in, and it should come right up, and there it is. As you can see, I'm just going to type in the full name of the app just so it pops up. So once you find it, guys, just go ahead and press on the search result and then just press start injection. And then you just want to wait until the progress bar reaches the end. So let's just give it a minute here. As you can see, this website's got pretty good download speeds and download time. So let's just give it a minute for it to go ahead and finish. As you can see, it says starting injection. All right. Let's just give it a minute, setting up final stage. So once it is done, guys, you are going to have to go ahead and do a quick verification by downloading 2 apps and completing the instructions. You have to download the apps, complete instructions. I mean, you don't have to buy anything in these apps. I'm going to do IRL Social Calendar as my first one. You're going to see that it takes me over to the App Store, and I'm going to go ahead and download the app. So let me just give it a minute here. All right, I'm going to go ahead and download it. And then while this app is downloading, I'm going to go ahead and go back onto the list and download another app. So let me just give it a minute for it to start downloading. As you guys can see, I'm just going to let it load. All right, and now I'm going to go ahead and go back onto the list, and I'm going to get another app. So I'm going to do iHeartRadio. It's going to take me over to the App Store, and I'm going to go ahead and download the app. So let me just do that. Now I'm going to go to my home screen, just give it a minute for these to download. Pretty small, so I'm not expecting a long wait time, so let's just give it a minute. So as you can see, the calendar's already done, so I'm going to open it up, and I literally just have to be on the app. I think with this one, I got to put in my email, and then I should be good to go. So it's that easy, guys. Super crazy. I can't believe it actually works, but it does. So let me just go ahead and let this app load here, as you can see. And I'm just going to go ahead and put in my email, guys, and then we should be good to go. All the apps are different. If you see different apps than me, that's totally okay. It's all based on region. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in my email right here, as you guys can see. So let me just type this in. All right, I'm just going to do that. And then I'm going to go ahead and move to the other app. So let me just let that process right there. So now I'll move on to the other app, which is the iHeartRadio. This app has similar instructions. You just have to make an account. So let me just go ahead and do that right here, as you guys can see. All right, I'm just going to do this right here. I'm just going to type it in. So let me just put in the email. All right, let me just do that. All right. And then I just have to do the password. So let me just type that in right here. And then I just got to put in some other information. We got the birth year, the gender, and the age. So let me just type that in. All right. I just put in my zip code. And then we should be good to go. All right. So there we go. The sign up is completed, guys. So with this app, I'm just going to go ahead and scroll around for a tiny bit. But it really doesn't matter, guys. Once you've done that initial sign up, you should be good. So anyways, once you're done, you can go back to your home screen and the mod should download. So it's super neat, guys. Definitely go ahead and give this a try. Get the word out about this method, guys. It's super neat. I can't believe it actually works, guys, but it does. Really cool. And it's definitely worth getting if you want to get free crystals and gems and stuff. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.